Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the PJ Patterson Highway, or the east-west leg of Highway 2000, and we are heading into Kingston. We just passed on the left where the traffic from, when you get onto this highway from Spanish Town, that's where you come on, where those cars were at the beginning of the video. So we have two exits on left on this highway. You can exit 14 kilometers to go into Portmore, and you can also exit, or the road ends and the highway takes you onto Mandela Highway into Kingston. So this highway is a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. So on the left you have a community. Not sure which community that is. Looks like it's still under construction, but a lot of homes. And then on the left, or further up on the left, you have the new Carimed warehouse. I have quite a few warehouses over there. This one facing the road says Carimed. I'm not sure if they all belong to Carimed. Those are some massive warehouses. I think one of those warehouses might belong to Grace Kennedy. Alright, coming up on the left now is the exit to go into Portmore. Now we're going on to Mandela Highway, and this is actually where Highway 2000 ends, and it merges with Mandela Highway and takes you into Kingston, the city of Kingston. So you're going to see so many billboards on the left now, because Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. So you're going to see billboard upon billboard now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.